All right, the selling price minus the cost equals the gross profit. I'm going to let X equal cost, and we're trying to figure out how many dollars was the retailer's gross profit. So the selling price, we know, is 80, that's given, minus X, unknown, equals, and what they tell us about the gross profit. Gross profit on the appliance was 25% of the retailer's cost. So that would be 0.25X. And I'm going to solve this for X, but I do not want to deal with a decimal. It's fine if you want to. I'll call that 1/4 X. Now I'll clear my fractions by multiplying everything by 4. And that gives me 320 minus 4X equals X. Add 4X to both sides and get 320 equals 5X. And then 5 will go into 320, that's going to be 6. And then 20, that's going to be 64 equal X. Do long division on the side of your paper if you need to. But now I need to figure out how many dollars was the retailer's gross profit. This is gross profit, so 1/4 times 64 is the gross profit. 4, we're going to 64, 16 times. So your answer is 16.